Greetings, members one and all of the Salivation Nation. Here we go. We have another unboxing. This is a little bit of an impromptu purchase, sort of an impulsive one, but it wasn't too much that I spent. But nonetheless, let's take a look inside. This is a rare order that I've made from Silver Gold Bull. Let's take it and unbox it and see what we have inside. All right. Very good. Pulling out the contents. I think this one will be a little bit easier than prior packages because there's not as much here. Everything's inside of this little package here, which we will undo. We have a invoice there that we'll remove out of the way. Very good. Take that out. And we are left with the contents left. That's right. All right. This is something that was alerted to me by a viewer. And I thought, you know what? Let's go ahead and just get these things. It is the Australian dove, silver dove, commemorating the end of World War I. And wow, that is something else. These are double thick PA4 pieces, not high relief, unfortunately. But nonetheless, they are very nice chunky rounds, 4/9 pure silver. And they are very well done. The end of World War I, otherwise known as the Great War. And these are a limited mintage of 10,000 pieces here. And very well done indeed. From the Perth Mint, Australia. A lot of detail on these, and apparently these were released in Europe. LPM, I think, had them first towards the later part of the year, but in America, Silver Gold Bull, I think, is the only company that had these things, and they were made available here. APMEX didn't have them, at least at the recording of this video, but I'm going to actually see what the invoice here says. Silver Gold Bull. Boy, they ship these things out super quickly as well. Amazing. That's so we got 5 ounces of silver here, 3 pieces, but very, very nice indeed. And the Australian Dove silver coin, limited mintage of 10,000 pieces for a bullion coin for what it cost. You know, there's some premium to it, but it's not terrible. It's not a bad mintage, really. So we got 2 of those, and Silver Gold Bull put them in plastic bags as well to protect the capsules, which was nice. But very well done. So that they are 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree, right? Very nice. The end of World War I. And so it depicts the dove there with a poppy, with a poppy flower in its beak, with the word peace inscribed in different ways in the background there, and a nice frosted device in background. Sort of slightly different levels of frosting and texture, I guess you would say, with the feathering and the like, with the dove. And then you have the regular queen on the obverse of the coin, denomination of $2, Elizabeth II, Australia. It marks the end of World War I in 1918. Partly, mostly, I guess, and thanks to the Doughboys, ending the Great War. So there's 2 of those, of the 5 ounces I got. The last one is my second. Yes, I only have 2 of these now. Silver bullets. Yes, indeed. Look at that. 999 1 ounce AG. A silver bullet. Beautiful, nice bullet there. Very cool to have a little bullet in the collection there. And it's kind of ironic, you know, we have a dove representing peace next to a bullet. So let's take a look at this here as a mosaic, as a 2 peaceful doves against a warring bullet there. Very, very nice indeed. There it is. You know what they say, to secure peace, you must prepare for war. Well, in this case, that certainly did it. That's 5 ounces of pure silver right there. 2 of them 4 nines fine, 1 of them 3 nines fine. But very nice. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of these. And what are your thoughts on these Australian doves and the Perth Mint? Kind of flew in under the radar, so to speak. There is proof versions of these also out there with limited miniatures 5,000, and it comes with the poppy is red. But I thought it was a nice, cool piece, and I like that it's double thick. That seems to be in vogue these days, and you know me, I'm down with the thickness. Oh, yes, indeed. Definitely am down with the thickness. So there you have it. Post your thoughts below. I'd like to extend a multitude of gratitude, y'all, for watching, and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.